Welcome. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add your email on the Instagram app for PC using the new update. If you've been wondering where the settings moved or how to make sure your email is connected to your account, follow along step by step, and you'll have it all set up in just a few minutes. First, open the Instagram app on your PC. Once you're inside, look at the bottom left corner and click on the option called More. From there, go ahead and click on Settings. This is where all your account adjustments will be made in the latest version. Next, you'll need to open the Accounts Center. Inside here, you'll see several sections related to your personal details and login information. Click on Personal Details, which is the section that manages your contact data. Now, click on Contact Info. This is where Instagram keeps track of your connected email addresses and phone numbers. To add a new one, click Add New Contact, and then select Add Email Address. At this point, type in the email address you would like to connect to your Instagram account. Once you enter it, you'll be asked to choose which of your accounts you'd like to link it to. Select the account, then click Next. After that, Instagram will send a confirmation code to the email address you just typed in. Head over to your inbox, find the code, and come back to the app. Enter the confirmation code into the box, and then click Next to complete the process. That's it. You've successfully added an email address to your Instagram account through the PC app. This new update organizes settings a little differently, but once you know where to go, it's really quick and simple. Keeping your email updated is important, especially if you ever need to recover your account or receive important security notifications. Now that you know how, make sure your contact info is always current and secure.